Boom, boom, boom. I'm about to install my new steering wheel. Same thing as most Nissan Infiniti, just the two sides, Torx, both sides. Take out the airbag and put the new one. Easy. Unplug whatever's there, and slap that shit on. Alright, so let's start this. Let's disconnect the battery first. Okay, once you let the battery sit for like, a couple minutes, you can start with this. Tools you will need. You're gonna need this little flat head. Take out the airbag connector. Torx T30. My small one broke. 19 for steering wheel bolt. And you could use this flathead or this flathead, don't matter, to take out the caps for the Torx screws. Okay, that's all tools you will need. Most Nissan Infinitis, same thing, man. T30 Torx, go in there, both sides, take out the cap, boom, boom, boom. This is what I was talking about right here. You need a flathead to pop that out on both sides. One. Shit, don't lose that. And two right here. Okay, now let's take the T30. I got the drill. If you got manual, that sucks because it'll take forever to take that out unless you're fast with it. Okay, let's go in there. Oh shit, their shit snapped. Damn. Let's get another one, loosen it first, then put it in there. Fuck. Okay. It's definitely that Loctite they be putting in there. Doing the same thing for the other side. Yeah, so both of my bolts fell inside this, so soon we take this off, it's gonna be inside there. Okay, now just remove this. Should be loose. Be careful. Don't drop it. Be careful. There's wires back there. We have to disconnect these two wires. You gotta get the thinnest flathead you can get to unplug those. It's a flathead. See how flat it is? See how tiny it is? That's how tiny you need it to go in here so you don't break shit. Okay? So, boom. Oh shit. Gotta be careful. So, right here, boom. Soon you pop them up, don't force it. It should pop up like that. And you could take it off. Take them off. So, okay, I put this to the side. I'm gonna drop it. Now let's disconnect this right here. This plug. Okay, let's take that off. Now, let's get 19 for that. Take that off. Okay, boom. There you go. There's your 19. Now let's take this out under here like that. Leave it like this. Oh, see, this one was easy to come out. Usually you'll be stuck on there. You gotta keep hitting it to make it come out. So let's take this off. Let's put the new one in. Look, there's the bolts that fell in. Look, they're right there hiding. That's the Loctite they put on there. That's why it was so hard to come out. Okay, don't lose those. Let's get the new one. Okay, same way you took it out. Let's plug this in. Boom, boom. Okay, it should click in. And now let's put the 19 on there. You should put the steering wheel the same way you took it out. Line it up. Now we're gonna hold the steering wheel and tighten it with the drill. Okay, so when you tighten that, let's put this here, under here. let's put the airbag on there. Be careful, be careful. We're gonna put both of those on there. I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this and get these mixed up. Yellow go with yellow, orange go with orange. Okay, once you do that, push it down, push that black thing down, and let's put this in. Line up the holes like so. Now let's put the bolts to the side, each side. Okay. Oh yeah, I put some little Loctite on there. I put the medium ones. Soon as it's tight, make sure you don't pop out like that. Okay, there you go. That's how you install your new steering wheel on this. Okay, you know, a little carbon fiber on there, you know, little something. Some people have it going up here too, but I like this one. It's not bad. I like it. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the caps back on there. They're on the floor right here. There you go. All you gotta do is push it back in there. Like that. Okay. And you good. And that was it, how to install the steering wheel on this G37. Don't forget to connect the battery before you start it. Also, make sure the buttons on the steering wheel work. Cruise control, volume, change the station, whatever, all that. If you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Drew's Mechanics. And if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.